To apply a promo code in the Best Buy app, follow these simple steps. First, open the Best Buy app on your mobile device and sign in to your account. If you do not have an account, create one by tapping on the Sign In button and following the prompts to register. Once you are signed in, browse the app to find the item you want to purchase and add it to your cart. After adding the item to your cart, tap on the cart icon to view your cart contents. On the cart page, you will see a summary of the items in your cart along with the subtotal. Below the subtotal, you will see a field that says Apply a promo code. Tap on this field to bring up the keyboard and enter your promo code. Make sure to enter the code exactly as it appears, as promo codes are case sensitive. After entering the promo code, tap the Apply button to see if the code is valid. If the code is valid, you will see the discount amount subtracted from the subtotal. If the code is not valid, you will see an error message. Once you have applied the promo code, review your cart to make sure the discount has been applied correctly. Then tap the Checkout button to proceed with the payment process. On the checkout page, you will see the final amount you need to pay after the discount has been applied. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of the promo code to understand any restrictions or limitations. Some promo codes may only be valid for certain items or may have a minimum purchase requirement. By following these steps, you can easily apply a promo code in the Best Buy app and start saving money on your purchases.